Okay, we have a question here. 8 PS4 games and 7 Xbox games cost £114.90p. And then we have 12 PS4 games and 8 Xbox games cost £156.60p. So what is the price of a PS4 game and an Xbox game given the information that we've been given? So this is a simultaneous equations question. So we need to translate that information into maths, and I'm about to do that now. So let's call the PS4 games P. Let's call the Xbox games, well, X. Makes sense, right? So 8p plus 7x equals 114.9. So that's the 8 PS4 games, 7 Xbox games, £114.90. And 12p plus 8x equals 156.6. So that's the 12 PS4 games and the 8 Xbox games, £156.60. So we've written this out here. We can see that there is no similar x or p on the top or bottom. So what we need to do is we need to find the lowest common multiple, pick one of the variables, p or x. I've picked the p's. What's the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12? It's 24. Okay, so to make 8p into 24, we need to times it by 3. So this whole line we're timesing by 3. Line 2, to get 12p to make 24p, we've got to times it by 2. So all of line 2 we're going to be timesing by 2. So here is line 1 that's been times by 3. 24p plus 21x equals 344.7. And then line 2 has been turned into 24p plus 16x equals 313.2. Okay, so we've turned it into a column subtraction, so we can make 24p and 24p, minus them together, and that makes 0p. So we've now got rid of the p's, which is what we wanted to do. 21x minus 16x makes 5x. 344.7 minus 313.2 equals 31.5. Okay, so 5x equals 31.5. Divide it by 5, you get x equals £6.30. So the Xbox game, so far we know the Xbox games equals £6.30. So now we need to find out what is the price of the PS4 game. So let's continue up here. So we found out that the Xbox games are £6.30. So what we need to do is we need to put the £6.30 back into one of the original equations. So I've picked this one here. Okay, so that comes from here. The 8 PS4 games and the 7 Xbox games. So 7 Xbox games, £6.30 times 7 makes 44.1. 8 PS4 games plus 44.1 equals 114.9. 8p is therefore 70.8, which is 114.9 minus 41. And therefore p equals 70.8 divided by 8, which will get you £8.85. So as a result, we have found the PS4 game cost £8.85 each, and the Xbox games cost £6.30 each. And that's how you do that. This is a typical word problem that you might get in a test. So they're giving you a word problem and you've got to figure out that you've got to use simultaneous equations to find out the answer.